Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you all how to change the aircon cabin filter for Subaru WRX version 10 Impreza. Alright, alright. I have the replacement filter. Okay, first of all, you need to clear your glove box drawer, right? Because we need to remove the drawer as the filter is behind the drawer. Alright, first thing, you need to remove this hanger, right? This is the absorber for the drawer. When you open up the drawer don't drop immediately. Right, to remove the drawer, okay, the most simple method is to remove the whole drawer itself. Right, there's two clips below. You just need to pull the whole drawer just like this. Alright, alright, here goes the filter. This is the filter that's original in my car. I think the previous owner never changed before. And comparing to the new one, see, that's a big difference, right? Right, so I'm gonna install this. How to install this? Alright, so this curved thing is facing downward. Just put it back to the box, push it right to the end, and until you hear the click sound, and make sure it can be removed easily. Alright, then now we're going to install back the drawer. And you heard that, the click sound. Then you put this hanger back. Alright, and that's done. Thank you for watching.